The Cambodian Human Rights Committee (CHRC) presents its respectful compliment to Your Excellency and has the honor to bring to your urgent attention a grave violation of human rights involving the use of disturbing sound as a form of psychological intimidation and harassment along the Cambodia-Thailand border by members of the Royal Thai Armed Forces. On 10 October 2025, the CHRC received credible report from local authorities and affected civilians residing in Praychan and Chukche villages, Obechot Commune, OHCHR District, Bantiminchai Province, indicating that unit of the Royal Thai Armed Forces broadcasting haunting sound resembling wailing ghosts through large loudspeakers from 10:44 p.m. until 12:04 a.m., followed by continuous aircraft engine noise played from 3:22 a.m. to 3:53 a.m., deliberately directed toward Cambodian villages in nearby community with the apparent intent to disturb and terrorize. This sound, described as intense, high-pitched noises lasting for a prolonged period, has disrupted sleep, provoked anxiety, and caused physical discomfort among residents, including women, children, and the elderly, the sick, and persons with disability. Such hostile and provocative acts not only endanger the physical and mental well-being of Cambodian civilians, but also threaten to escalate tension between the two neighboring countries. This action has no place in any civilized society and stands in direct contradiction to the principle of the United Nations Charter, which uphold peace, human rights, and mutual respect for sovereignty among nations. The aforementioned action constitutes a grave violation of the spirit of the 28 July 2025 ceasefire agreement between Cambodia and Thailand, the 13-point agreement of the Extraordinary General Border Committee (GBC) meeting between Cambodia and Thailand on 7 August 2025, and multiple international human rights instruments, including but not limited to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, the International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights, the Convention on the Rights of the Child, the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, the Convention of the Rights of Persons with Disability, and the Convention Against Torture and other cruel, inhumane, or degrading treatment or punishment. In light of the above, the CHRC respectfully urges Your Excellency to 1. Initiate an immediate investigation into the report use of disturbing sound by the Royal Thai Armed Forces along the Cambodia-Thailand border and ensure accountability for violation of international human rights laws. 2. Call for the cessation of all acts of psychological intimidation against Cambodian civilians, particularly the deliberate use of disturbing sounds during nighttime hours. 3. Ensure protection and provide necessary medical and psychological support to the affected individual, including women, children, and the elderly. 4. Encourage strengthened cross-border dialogue between Cambodia and Thailand to prevent reoccurrence and uphold and respect the spirit of the 28 July 2025 ceasefire agreement and the 13-point agreements of the Extraordinary GBC meeting. In this regard, the CHRC respectfully invite the Office of the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights (OHCHR) to conduct an on-site observation mission to Cambodia-Thailand border area at the earliest feasible time, where serious human rights violation has been reported. The CHRC will fully cover all related expense and facilitate coordination with relevant authorities. This mission will allow the OHCHR to directly observe the situation and contribute to the protection of human rights and humanitarian principles on the ground. The CHRC emphasized that acts of intimidation, harassment, or cruel, inhumane, or degrading treatment against civilians are unacceptable under any circumstances. Cambodia remains steadfast in upholding human dignity, sovereignty, and peace in accordance with international law. However, persistent acts of aggression and harassment against civilians cannot and will not be tolerated. The CHRC remains committed to cooperating with Your Excellency and your esteemed office in addressing this serious matter and safeguarding the human rights of all innocent civilians along the Cambodia-Thailand border. Please accept, Excellency, the assurance of our highest consideration. Respectfully yours, Gauremi, President, Cambodian Human Rights Committee, CHRC.